Hi, beautiful souls. Hello, everybody. I am in the kitchen once again. I'm about to put together a healthy meal. I'm going to make a veggie and pasta casserole. Okay, I have some fresh leafy greens here. I have watercress. I have spinach. And I also have kale. Okay, these leafy greens are very healthy. They contain potassium, they contain vitamins and minerals, magnesium, B6, B9, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and calcium. And you know, iron also promotes the growth of healthy hair as well. All right, and here I have 4 types of zucchini. This one is huge. This is butternut, no, I'm sorry, 4 types of squash. This one is butternut squash. This one is delicata squash. This one is crookneck yellow squash. And this one is zucchini squash. And these also have healthy healing properties as well. They contain potassium, fiber, vitamins A, B, C, and E. And it also reduces inflammation that forms in the body and causes diseases and different sicknesses and stuff like that. Okay, and I also have a red bell pepper. Bell pepper also has vitamin C, and it's also good for the vision as well. I have some whole grain pasta, and I also have veggie spaghetti. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. And sweet potato bread as well. I really don't care for white bread. White bread is not good for the body. So I'm going to try sweet potato bread. I normally eat a whole grain bread, but I'm going to try something different today. So we're going to use sweet potato bread. Okay, so this is all my fresh ingredients, and they all are organic. They all are organic. And check out my daughter's beautiful bracelet line by Unique Pieces by Angelique. She makes beautiful jewelry. Y'all go check her out. That's Unique Pieces by Angelique.com. All right, everybody. I'm going to put this meal together, and I'll be getting back with you all in a bit. All right. Bye.